Hello kids, let us continue the chapter Animals Everywhere. In previous class we have studied about breathing in animals and organs of breathing. So in today's class we shall discuss about feeding habits in animals and movement in animals. First we shall see feeding habits in animals. As we know that animals need food to grow, to get energy and to stay healthy. Different animals eat different types of food. Their feeding habits depends on the type of food they eat. Their mouth part are also suited to the type of food they eat. Birds uses their beaks for eating. Their beaks are suited to catch the kind of food they eat. We can see here different birds having different beaks. Rodents like rabbit, mice and squirrel have small and sharp front teeth. They gnaw seeds and fruits. Next, herbivorous. What are herbivorous? Herbivorous are nothing but they are the animals that eat only plant and plant products. So herbivorous such as cow, goats and giraffe have sharp front teeth for biting and strong broad teeth for chewing. They eat only green plants. Next, carnivorous. Carnivorous are the animals that eat flesh of other animals. Animals such as lion, tiger and cat that eat other animals, they have sharp, pointed and curved teeth for tearing flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew the flesh and the bones. Flesh-eating birds. Flesh-eating birds such as eagles, kites and vultures have strong, sharp and hooked beaks and claws to catch their prey and to tear flesh. So with the help of their sharp as well as hooked beak, what they are doing? They are tearing the flesh. With the help of claws, they will catch the prey. Prey means food what they are eating. For that we call it as prey. Next, coming to movements in animals. Animals need to move from one place to another, right? Animals are moving from one place to another. Why they are moving? In order to search for food, protect themselves and their babies from being hunted, and also to build resting and breeding places. Animals have different types of body part or limbs for movement. As they are moving from one place to another, they are moving with the help of their limbs. And animals also have different ways of moving from one place to another. Land animals such as lion, tiger, they move from one place to another place with the help of four limbs. Most mammals have four limbs to move. The two at the front are called forelimbs and the two at the back are called hind limbs. Most mammals use all four limbs to move. With the help of all the four limbs, what they are doing? They are moving from one place to another. But what about humans? Humans are also mammals. But humans uses only two legs to walk from one place to another. Next, water animals. Water animals, the animals that live in water are called as aquatic animals. Example, fish. Fish have fins for swimming. The two paired fish are used to move forward and the unpaired fins maintain balance and the tail fin helps to change the direction of movement. Turtles, they are having four pedal-like limbs in order to push water back and to swim forward. Penguins use their two forelimbs as flippers to push water and to swim. Frogs are amphibians. Frogs have webbed feet to swim, but when on land, They jump with the help of their long hind legs. So amphibians are the one which live on both land as well as in water. So in water they are swimming with webbed feet, and on land they are walking with the help of their or jumping with the help of their hind legs. Next, insects. Insects like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. A grasshopper uses its long hind legs for hopping. Water insects like water boatmen use their legs as oars for swimming. Oars is a pole with a flat blade used to row a boat through the water. So dear children, in this class we have discussed about feeding habits in animals and movements in animals. Thank you.